All right, sharks. So we've talked a little bit about the CRAP test, which is an acronym that you would use to determine if a source is trustworthy for research purposes. But I want to kind of talk about something else too. It's another acronym, unfortunately. Um, when we're talking about accurate information on sources specifically, though, that can be really hard to know. If you're reading an article and it uses statistics, how do you know if that's really true or not? We don't all have a lot of knowledge sometimes about the topics that we're reading about. We are not experts in these things. So this is a strategy that you can use to check if something is accurate. It's called SIFT, SIFT. The S is really just to stop. You're reading a source, you come to something, your little spidey senses are tingling. Is this accurate? Stop and ask yourself, first of all, does this source that I'm on even pass the other elements of the CRAP test? Is it current? Is it relevant? Is it an author that I can trust? If it's not passing some of those other elements, I would just say, I'm probably not going to use this source. However, if it has so far passed all of those other little tests, so to speak, then maybe move on to the next part of this process to ask, okay, well, if this is maybe an okay source, let me keep going. What are my instincts telling me? The next step is to investigate the website itself. So I'm on an article, maybe it's coming from People Magazine. What do I know about the publisher People Magazine or that organization? Is this a place that probably has really good information, or maybe it's a little bit shady? Not just the article that you're in, but the whole website overall. Okay, so if you've stopped and you're investigating, then ask yourself, can I find any other coverage of my topic? Are there other articles I could be using? Are any other sources perhaps even more in depth about my topic, or do they seem more trustworthy? Do experts on other sources agree with some of the information that I'm currently finding on the one that I'm on? Can I verify that information in more than one place? You might help that by finding other coverage, you come across articles or resources that are just better in the end. And so you realize, oh, doing a little bit of extra digging was helpful for me anyway. And then finally, the T of SIFT is to see if you can trace specific information back to its original context. We sometimes call those primary sources. Is there a link that you can click that takes you back to the original source of that information, the original report perhaps, or the original words that somebody said when we were first talking about this topic? If you can't trace any of their claims or any of their information back to any place else, that might kind of tell you that this source should not be used. So let's practice what this might look like to SIFT. The change maker that I have chosen for this project, I mentioned before, is Reshma Sajouni. She's the founder of Girls Who Code, to help create a place for women to get more involved in coding and computer science. So I have found an article about her. It's on this site here called Future Founders, and I don't really know much about that organization. As I'm reading, I came across some information that I wondered, is this accurate? The information was right here. It said a study in 2018 by the Bureau of Labor Statistics found that despite women making up 47% of the entire labor force in the US, they held only 24% of technology positions on the market. And I was like, that's a very specific statistic, and I wonder if it's true. So unfortunately, what I noticed is there isn't a link here in this article where I could actually go trace that information back to its original source. I had to do a little bit of internet digging to get there myself. I actually had to do a search of the 2018 report by the Bureau of Labor and Statistics to see if I could find it. Keep the number 47% in your mind, by the way. When I eventually found this report, and this is a government report, the website it comes from, ends.with.gov, it's the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, I found that in 2018 and in 2019, women made up 57% of the workforce. See how it says 57% in 2018? This article said 47%. So already I have found a discrepancy in some of the data. Furthermore, I searched as carefully as I could the entire report. Remember how my original article said 24% of technology positions on the market were held by women? I could not find that data any place in this report. They didn't talk about technology as a specific sector, even though they did talk about other sectors of the workforce. So that already made me feel a little bit like, wait a minute, where is this source getting its information, and is it accurate? As I continued to use my SIFT method, I had stopped. I need to also investigate the website itself to see, what is this? Future Founders, who are they? It's actually a little bit tricky to figure out who is running this website. They have an About Us page, but I didn't recognize the people on there. They didn't have a lot of specific information about um, who started them or what their goal is or why they have this organization. It says they've received recognition, but you can't click on any of those links to figure out what that recognition is. All of that to say, some of the information about Reshma may be correct, but some of it clearly was not correct. And so this made me thankful that I had stopped, investigated, and traced claims. As it turns out, I'm going to need to find other coverage on my topic because the information I found was not accurate. Be careful out there on the internet.